What if your iPhone could look this clean, simple, and distraction-free? This is my lock screen. Minimal, no clutter, just the essentials. And when I unlock it, this is my home screen. Only the apps I actually use every day. And no, this is not Android. This is iPhone. Yes, you can customize iPhone icons any way you want, like these black and white third-party icons. And here you can see, when I open each app, it works just like a normal app icon. So yes, these are real working icons, not just for show. Hi friends, welcome back to Pre-Dev Tech. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create this minimal iPhone home screen step by step. Let's start. For this setup, you need minimal icon packs. Just search on Google for minimal iOS icons. You'll notice many Pinterest links where you can find lots of minimal icons. You can use those icons directly or take inspiration from them. I'll also leave links to some free icon packs in the description. Or you can simply search on Pinterest for free minimal iOS icons. You'll find tons of free icon packs and setups there. For example, this creator has shared some really clean minimal icon packs. You can use these directly or take inspiration to create your own style. Just click the icon you like and save it to your PC, Mac, or iPhone. Simply search for the icon you want and download it. Now, if the icon size is different, you can resize it easily. Open Photoshop and create a new file sized 512 by 512 pixels. Paste the icon, resize it, and export it. Don't worry about rounded corners. iPhone automatically applies them. Now all the icons are ready. And if you need any custom app icon that you can't find, just let me know in the comments. I'll create it for you for free. Now let me transfer these icons to my iPhone. You can use AirDrop if you're using a Mac. Or you can simply send the icons using email, WhatsApp, or any cloud storage service. Once the icons are on your iPhone, you're ready to apply them. And by the way, if you're finding this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to the channel. I share simple iPhone tips and customization ideas like this every week. Now comes the most important part, applying the custom icons. Open your iPhone and search for the Shortcuts app. Tap the plus icon in the top right corner. Tap Add Action. Select Open App. Choose the app you want to customize, in my case, Facebook. Now tap the share icon at the bottom. Select Add to Home Screen. Tap the icon preview and choose your custom icon image. Then tap Add. And done. Now you have a custom third-party app icon on your iPhone. Let me quickly do the rest of the icons. I'll fast forward this part since the steps are exactly the same. Now let me arrange them so the home screen looks minimal. Here I kept only the most essential apps that I use every day. Here is the list of apps I use: Files, Photos, Notes, YouTube, ChatGPT, WhatsApp, Gmail, Settings, and X and Notion. And here are the apps I placed in the dock: Phone, Messages, Safari, Camera. Now the last step, choosing a minimal wallpaper. Just open Settings, tap Wallpaper. Choose a minimal wallpaper. I'll leave links to similar wallpapers in the description. Now set the lock screen wallpaper. Then enlarge the clock vertically. Change the clock font to a thin style and set the color to a solid black. I already made a detailed video on lock screen customization. You can watch it by clicking the card in the top right corner. And if you want, you can also add widgets to make your setup even more useful. And make sure the depth effect is turned on, so the wallpaper appears above the clock. And done! Look how beautiful and minimal this setup looks. Now let me set the same wallpaper for the home screen. Select the wallpaper and done. Now let me hide the icon names. Just long press on the home screen. Tap Customize in the top left corner. Then tap the chat bubble icon to remove the text below the icons. And done. This is the final look. Just see how minimal and clean it looks. And here are the actual default iOS icons. Let me know in the comments, which icons do you like more? The default iOS icons or these third-party custom icons? And if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel. I share simple iPhone tips, customization ideas, and hidden settings every week. And if this video gets good support, I'll also make a dark minimal home screen setup next. Thanks for watching. You can check out my other iOS videos by clicking on the end screen. See you in the next video.